I love Dave Ramsey because he helps a lot of people. Dave Ramsey primarily helps people get out of debt and show them ways to reduce their monthly expenses, get on a budget, pay off their credit cards, and get out of debt. And that's great. Dave Ramsey also has some recommendations for life insurance. For example, he recommends that most people get a 10, 20-year life insurance policy and that they get 10 times their income. Well, I think his recommendation is good, but I don't necessarily agree that everybody should get 10 times their income and that everybody should get, let's say, a 20-year term policy. Why? Because everybody's situation is different. So if you're 30-year-old or if you're 50-year-old, your life situation is different. You may be dealing with having young children that you want to protect if you're 30 or a spouse, and at age 50 you may be dealing with a different situation. You want to have insurance maybe up until retirement. Maybe you only need a 15 or 10-year policy, as opposed to when you're 30 years old, you might want to get a 30-year term policy, for example, at that age. The other thing is, not everyone needs 10 times their income in life insurance. Some people are going to need less, some people are going to need more, and giving that blanket advice creates people being either underinsured or overinsured. What do I mean? Well, when I speak to you, I'd like to evaluate your specific situation. For example, do you have a mortgage? How many kids do you have? What do you want your life insurance money to do? Do you want it to have money set aside for your kids' college education, or do you only want it to replace and pay off your mortgage? So it really depends on what your goals are with your insurance, how old you are, and your specific situation. So I don't necessarily recommend that everybody get 10 times their income for life insurance. Dave Ramsey also recommends Zander Insurance. Zander is a sponsor of Dave Ramsey's show, and they're a call center that offers life insurance. What I don't like about Zander is they don't offer all the top life insurance companies out there. They only offer about 9 or 10 insurance companies, and you're also dealing with a call center. So you're not dealing with a dedicated person that's going to be working with you that has a long term of experience in the insurance business. You're generally dealing with more like a customer service type person that's going to give you quotes. At ChooseTerm.com, I work with over 30 of the top life insurance companies, including all the companies that Zander works with. And I also specialize in high-risk life insurance. So, for example, if you have a pre-existing condition, diabetes, asthma, maybe you've had a heart situation, maybe you've had cancer or MS or Crohn's disease, or if you have some kind of condition, I know which companies are most likely to approve you and which ones will do so at the best rates because I have the experience working with that. And I also have the experience to be able to shop the entire marketplace for you, which Zander cannot necessarily do. So if you're looking for a life insurance quote, visit my website, ChooseTerm.com, or you can call me directly. My phone number is 800-574-0245, and my extension is 101, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.